while I was editing this video, I realized I haven't actually made an intro, but that's because this trip was so spontaneous and unplanned. I got my tickets at 3 and immediately flew at 7, so I was rushing to pack my stuff and head to the airport. But yeah, I had such a fun time in Bali. I actually went there to see a friend, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
Jump in the Cadillac, girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Cool jewelry, shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like.
Airbnb tour. This is my stuff in the table and has like a nice living room. And this is my room. Looks so nice. I forgot to record my breakfast. Got an iced latte, French toast, and some smoothie bowl. This is low-key bust, and this one's also really good. I can't believe the free breakfast is so good. I love it. I love it here. I wanna go. Hi guys, I just finished getting ready, and now I'm gonna be exploring Bali with my friend, and I'm gonna vlog it out, so I'm so excited. This has been my first time in Bali after such a long time, and I'm honestly loving it so far.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Yeah. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile.
Di bawah atau taruh mobil nih? Karcisnya.
We're heading to Chanti.
Boy, oh, I need you, boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you.
The first stop we went to was Chanti. Here I chose the matcha tasting package, where he started off introducing me to the history of how matcha was harvested and made. And then he served me 3 types of hand whisk matcha, which was Uji Hikari, Yabukita, and Asahi. And each of them had different notes and aftertaste, which was very interesting. And then he taught us how to make cold whisk matcha with the measurements and whisking technique. Later on, I got the chance to do it myself, but I hope you guys don't judge me because it was my first time making my own matcha, guys.
About all the time, think you made me all of mine. Hate to say, you know the love is blind. I'm about to see, I close my eyes, then I can see you ain't here though. No good to me, like signs to make every day your birthday, and every night your Valentine.
You lihat dong, itu belum rapi, bro.
Masih ada
Oke.
guys,
this is okay.
Itu juga terbiasa. Mau dibantu? Kalau kita begini itu satu lengan bakal sampai. Tapi kalau ini kita cuma ke lengan doang sampai.
My friends did the other packages, which was the matcha journey as well as the coffee journey, and I got to see their experiences as well, and also the guy was also interactive with me even though that was in the package that I ordered, which was very nice. And I had such a good experience here. I feel like this is a must visit in Bali if you like matcha. What are you from an avid or addict?
Makan makanan.
Oh,
Makan. Panas ya?
that's crazy. Enak banget sih. Bowl patty, and then there's cheese and pickle.
Nggak ada tempat cuci tangan. Ada tangan.
I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all.
Good morning, guys. So this is what we're having for breakfast. Another French toast, and my friend's having, oh my god, my table is so full. My friend's having pancake, and we got some tea. I was walking in just now. I had a cup of work. So excited. Let's devour.
Oh, sorry.
Hi guys, my OOTD for today. I'm wearing the same pants because I was wearing jeans the other night and I felt so uncomfortable.
Saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
Me and my friends went to the Dior pop-up in Jimbaran, and it was honestly very nice. The moment we went in, we visited their collections before heading to eat in Dior Cafe, and there was a lot of really cute purses and wallet. This one especially caught my eyes because, guys, it's so cute. We looked around and then I accompanied my friend shop at Dior Beauty. Dior Cafe with Rati with a beautiful view.
I feel like the view is so nice here. Love it.
Chocolate pepper dough. I got some pancakes to accompany me walking, and oh my god, that looks crazy. It's like caramel, salted caramel ice cream with caramelized banana and then cake. Hi guys, having our last meal in Bali. How are you feeling?
Sad the day is ending, but we didn't have fun time at the beach, and I love the sun.
Yep. We had such a good time in the beach, guys.
Now we're gonna rate how the matcha is.
Yeah. We're gonna be trying matcha in Regime. Oh my god, I like the